Hey Divi Nation, thanks for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a technology news layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Okay, so let's take a look at the technology news layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. As you can notice, there are a lot of blog posts included, which you can replace with your own blog posts. So you can keep this look and feel of the pages and just simply replace them with your own content as is done within this layout. So there are two blog post templates that come along with this layout pack, and let me just show you those really quick. So this is the first one that you get. And you can replace all of the contents, all of the images. You can adjust everything to your need using Divi's built-in options. And let's take a look at the second one as well. So this is the second one. You have these ads over here as well that you can adjust. So this looks really nice and you're ready to go. You can change everything and just make it work for your own technology news website or any other kind of blog that you're setting up, really. And if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can simply go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And if you scroll down, you'll come across the technology news layout pack, and if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are available. So you can join to download or view the live demo by clicking on the blue button, and this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of the layouts for yourself, and then you're ready to use them on your own website using WordPress and using Divi. So go to your WordPress website. So I, for instance, have installed all of the different layouts on this WordPress website, and I've also assigned 2 posts to the different templates that are available. So if I click on it, you can see that this layout is being used, and you can adjust everything to your own needs. And you will need to start off by adding a new post. So I'm just going to click on edit post to show you what changes I have made. So I'm using Gutenberg in the backend, and then I'm using the visual builder to edit the layout of my page. And I'll just give my post a title over here, then select a featured image, and this will be integrated within the layout using dynamic content. So make sure that you choose a featured image of your choice. And then over here within the Divi page settings, you'll need to adjust the page layout to full width and hide the post title. And then you can get started using the Divi builder. So as mentioned before, the background image of this section, for instance, is linked to the dynamic content of the post. So this will adjust if you adjust the featured image in the backend. So now you can go ahead and play around with all of the content. You can add your own copy, you can adjust all of the images, and just have this nice look and feel going on your posts and create interaction with your visitors. So the same thing counts for the second post template as well. And let's take a look at that one once again. And again, if I click on edit post, you'll see that I'm using Gutenberg. I gave my post a title. I've uploaded a featured image, and I've changed the Divi page settings and then enabled the Divi builder. So a lot of dynamic content is integrated within these layouts as well. So go ahead and play around with all of the layouts and all of the post templates and create a stunning technology news website using Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure to want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.